Hello, the purpose of this screencast is to show you how to use PsychInfo. So to access PsychInfo at Miami University, log into your My Miami page, and you can click under L to find libraries, or I have mine saved here, and just click on Libraries. Then you want to go to Databases A to Z, and PsychInfo is actually published by the American Psychological Association, or APA. So you actually want to look under A for APA PsychInfo, and then just scroll down through your list until you get to APA. You'll notice there's a couple options here. There's a Psych Critiques, and then also the PsychInfo. PsychInfo will help you to access the recent research in psychology and psychological science. So if you click that link, you'll be taken to this database. You'll notice that you are searching in the APA PsychInfo database. You could click this and choose some other databases, but stick to PsychInfo. Here in these lines, you can choose keywords. So let's say I'm really interested in looking at the effects of social media use and anxiety. So I can just type in those two keywords. I could choose to change up my keywords, but here I want to do social media use and anxiety, and then I just click search. Now you'll notice that I found 277 articles about social media use and anxiety. You'll notice that not all of them are journal articles. For example, the first one that came up is a dissertation or thesis. You cannot use that for this assignment. So in order to limit the type of publications that you get, you can use these limits on this side. For example, you only want to use articles that you can get the full text. So check full text only as an option. And also you want to make sure that you are only getting academic journals. So check that. Now I have decreased my search options to 77, but I know that I've found 77 academic journal articles that are related to social media use and anxiety, and I can get full text on all of them. So I look at the title, I see what I find interesting. Young adult depression, anxiety are linked to social media use, assessment, and treatment. Well, that sounds really interesting. Looks pretty current. I'm going to get the PDF full text. I can open it here. I can also download it from here and read it offline. But then your task for the alternative assignment would be to read this article and then use it to answer the questions in the alternative assignment. Finally, before I leave this video, I want to give you one more tip or trick for how you can get the citation in APA format. If we go back to the original list of 77, and I did that just by clicking back, if I click the article, if I look over here on this side, I have a bunch of tool options. For example, you could add this article directly to your Google Drive or a folder. You could print the article. Here I want to show you the cite function. If you click the cite function, a lot of options show up here. Citation format. Remember, we're learning APA format in this class, so we want to stick to APA. APA format is the American Psychological Association. Again, happens to be in the 7th edition currently, and so here is how you would cite that in APA format. Notice we use just author last names with initials, the year of publication, the title of the publication, all lowercase, the title of the source with first large word capitalized, every large word capitalized as it is here, the volume number, issue number if there is one, page numbers, and then the link. And so you could just copy paste this into your response sheet for your research portfolio, and that would be an APA style reference. That ends my screencast. I hope you found it helpful for finding sources and journal articles through APA PsychInfo at Miami.